Is it snowy out there? Is it snowy out there, buddy? Is that what you want? A cookie? Easy. Well, good morning and welcome back to Balfour Farm. It is it's slippery out. A little bit of ice underneath the snow. It is a snowy day here on the farm. It's officially the third or fourth day of spring, but looks more like winter out here. And we're supposed to get over a foot of snow today. And we got 6 inches just a couple days ago. So I just come in to start the generator to get ready for milking, and I thought I would show you the progress on our, there we go, the progress that the solar guys have made. Still not done yet, but there's a lot more wires here now. So the guys have got still only about half the batteries in, ran lots and lots of wires, and boy, yeah, those are all the feed for the batteries, I guess. And they have all the wires run out to the batteries. They got the last of the solar panels up on the roof, and they've run this gray conduit just everywhere. It goes all over the room. And then some more smaller wires that come in from the solar panels. But it's getting there, but far from done. All right, well, we got to get the cows in here. Boy, it is a snowy day, so we'll see how this goes. But cows spent the night in the barn overnight, so at least they won't be wet. What are you doing hiding in there? Huh? Let you go. Let's go, girl. All right, well, it is still snowing, and I just got done all the chores, feeding the pigs and chickens. The cows have been milked and fed a long time ago. All I need to do now is close up the barn, so and I am done for the night. Bring in a little firewood and go sit by the wood stove. So.
Come on, you coming back in? Oh my goodness, bring all the snow with you.
Well, we're back out here this afternoon. It has been several days since I started this video, and we wound up with about 18 inches of snow, and then we had 6 inches on the ground already. So we wound up with about 2 feet all total. And then we had one sunny day, and then it started raining, and it has rained for three or 4 days now. So I'll show you how it looks. It is not pretty. So the good thing is most of the snow has melted, but there's still quite a bit left here and there. But the mud is just unbelievable, and the puddles are everywhere. What a mess. So I think I showed you earlier in the video that the solar guys had got quite a bit of work done. Well, they've been here all week, and we are officially running on our new batteries, so I'll show you that. They've got most of the wires hooked up. They still have a few more batteries to put in, but yeah, really excited. We're using the batteries, and they're working great. So I showed you before all the wires were hanging out. They've got everything tied in there, got all that connected up. Got all these batteries around here, and there. And we have, there's 2 more brackets there. There'll be 2 more batteries hanging there. And then I think there's 2 more batteries that go over in that corner. But yeah, and there is our old lead acid batteries. So we'll get those out of here soon. So we've got our 2 inverters there that were already hooked up. They've put a 3rd one in, and then there's a 4th one that they're waiting on. Apparently all the parts hadn't come in yet. And then we've got 1 charge controller, and there's 1 more that's on order. So almost there, so close. All right, so we're super excited to have the new batteries in and working. Keeps the generator from running. Yeah, I think we have almost 3 times the storage capacity for with the new batteries, so really like that. Anyway, we need to get out and get all the animals closed in for the night. It's going to be a cold and windy night, so we'll get that done here. Just remembered, I was thinking all I had to do was get the animals in, but got to get my market van towed out of the mud here. I'll show you. Oh. Well, I went to move the van the other day, and yeah, it's a little muddy there. Half the wheel is buried in the mud, so I'll have to get the tractor and pull that out. Okay, well, I'm out here. I'm hiding in the barn because it is incredibly windy out there, and you probably wouldn't hear a word that I said anyway, and it's cold. So that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of what we're doing here on the farm, and we will see you next time.
The snow is belly deep to a moose.